Okay, so we're gonna start making a what?
Blueberry pie.
A blueberry pie, and this one's gonna have a crumble topping. It adds more sugar, but the oven's preheated. So you need the 4 cups of blueberries. You need the 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You need some lemon juice. I'm cheating. Normally I like to use fresh squeeze, but we're on a time crunch. I gotta get to work soon, so we're gonna use this. And then you need cornstarch, but that goes like towards the end. It just helps to make sure everything is coated. And yeah, you gotta mix all that. Then you're gonna put it in your baking dish, and then you'll mix your dry ingredients, which is the crumble, later, and then you put it on top and it'll melt and it'll be so good. Okay, so the blueberries are all rinsed. We're gonna dump them in here. Okay, thank you very much. 2 tablespoons of this. Now we're gonna add our 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Okay. We're gonna do a tablespoon of lemon juice. While I get this measured, this is our cornstarch, and you need 2 tablespoons of that. 2 tablespoons cornstarch. Sprinkle, sprinkle. See? Nice and coated. And then, what do we do next? You remember?
Yeah.
You're gonna put it in here. Okay. There we go. 1/2 cup of oats.
All the flour.
2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And we need a teaspoon of baking powder.
Here.
Yeah, good job. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And you also need 1/2 cup of flour.
I want to eat the brown sugar. I know it'll make me hyper, but it's so good.
Okay, and so now we need 1/3 cup of coconut oil. And this is always a little tricky.
So thick.
Yeah, you want to make sure you get enough, because this is your binding agent. It's what binds the crumble together. Okay, and this is where it's good to have a helper, because
let's compare our hands.
let's not. Okay, and so now what you do is you take your crumbles and you just break it apart over the pie.
Like a little sprinkle.
So when you're finished spreading the crumble, it'll look like this, and then you put it in the preheated oven for 40 minutes. I want you to look at it. It looks so good. Do the pie dance. Do the pie dance. Oh my gosh, look at that. It looks good. Okay. This is good. I think I'm gonna have to do like a 10-mile run, because I'm eating